Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chelsea if you're new, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to melt your lace like butter, like literally like butter. This is kind of like the outcome of how my hair came out. I'm doing this because I kind of forgot to record an intro, so this is just giving you a preview of what's to come. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and let's just get into it. So y'all, this will be the wig we're working with. I know she look a little crazy now, but I caught myself like doing like some curls and trying to like pin the curls. A lot of them have failed, but try to like pin the curls so that they just won't drop as soon as I run my fingers through them and everything. This wig is from Westkiss Hair. It is a 6x6 closure with a really nice thin lace. I did bleach the knots. They bleached really good. I kind of over bleached them, but y'all know we can fix that. 26 inches is the hair length, and I forgot the density, but y'all know all the specs will be in the description box if you are interested. So we're gonna pop this wig on. We are going to take the curls out, and we're going to melt the lace. I'm going to be using my Bold Hold Liquid Gold. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this. This works pretty good. It gives you a good hold. Just depending on the type of activity you do in your day-to-day life, this can last a good little while. So yeah, we are just gonna pop this wig on, take the clips out, and well, first thing I'm going to do is put some makeup kind of in the inside of the lace a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna put some makeup. I had some leftover makeups.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down.
Alright, so we're going to pop the wig on, and we'll figure out everything else that needs to be done after we have her on. One thing I really like about Westkiss Hair is the fact that you can choose your size of your wig. They have small, medium, large. I think I have a bigger head, but I wear size medium in wig caps, so the medium fits me really good. Y'all, I done put this makeup on there. Look at this. Do y'all see that? You can barely see the lace. This wig does come with clips on the side, which I really like because I can just kind of like tuck them under my braid, and it just makes it really secure. And then the clip in the back is my favorite clip. So I'm just going to, I think I'm gonna take these out. Yeah, I'm gonna take these out, and then we're gonna go to, you know, gluing it down.
And you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know.
Alright, so I'm not going to comb out the curls just yet. Actually, I'm going to clip the front curls back so that I can just see the lace and be able to adhere the lace. We're supposed to apply a small amount to the hairline and the areas where the lace will be applied. Apply 1 inch area, lay the lace on the area, and then blow dry it on warm. Go to the next section, and then, you know, blase squaze.
I just can't keep running away, running away, running away, keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special. so till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I.
Y'all, I think I melted this lace. It looks so good. Let's comb these curls out and see what's it giving. Hopefully it's not giving grandma, because I did the curls with the curling iron, and I'm not really that good at like curling with the curling iron. I know I might have to put like some layers in it or something. What's it giving? And since I put this wig down with the bold hold liquid gold, I want to try to wear it for a little bit. Like actually keep it on, because y'all, this hair, oh my god, this hair is everything. Yes. Ooh. The sun is super bright, so I'm sorry if you can't really see me. Let me try to fix it. All right, it should be a little bit better this way. Yes. Oh my god. All right, you guys, so I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I also hope you really learned something from this video. I really enjoy using that bold hold liquid gold stuff. It works really, really good. It has my lace literally melted, as you can see. So if you're looking for something that's like that, something equivalent to glue but not quite glue, check it out. And it's for this hair. Y'all, this hair was literally bomb. Like, look at me just run my fingers through it. Look at the lace, wet lace, literally melted like butter. Definitely check out the description box if you are interested in purchasing this hair or whatever the case may be. Everything you'll know will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching.